Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the controller and removing batteries. This prevents shorting and accidental input. Once done, place the controller face down on a soft cloth. Use a T6 screwdriver to remove the 4 rear screws. Keep them organized in a small tray so you don't lose them. Next, wedge a plastic pry tool into the seam near the back grips. Apply gentle, even pressure to start separating clips. You'll feel initial resistance. That's normal. Proceed slowly to avoid breaking plastic. Once the rear shell is loosened, you continue by focusing on the grip clips. Work from the bottom edge upward and release clips one at a time. If a clip is stubborn, use a thin plastic pick to press the tab inward while gently pulling the grip. This prevents stress on the plastic. Make sure you are not using metal near the PCB. Keep prying localized to the shell edges. If you encounter foam or adhesive under the grip, peel slowly so components remain intact. You're on the final step. Fully remove the grips and inspect the inner shell for residue or torn tabs. If needed, lightly clean adhesive with a 70% isopropyl wipe. Make sure surfaces are dry before reassembly. To reassemble, align the clips, apply even pressure until each click engages, and reinstall the 4 screws with gentle but firm torque. If a clip breaks, pause, use a tiny amount of superglue to bond or swap the shell. This tip prevents loose grips and keeps the controller stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.